And today is Monday, June the 11th, 2012, and I'm going to be showing you a 60-second option I placed on the USD JPY currency pair. As you can see, 24Option has just started. I think they started on Thursday, and I started to trade it a little bit, and now I'm added completely to my trading arsenal. They've added the yen as a 60-second option possibility, which is great. I really hope that they expand out to a number of the currency pairs, and also that they expand 60-second options to more than 12 hours, because right now it goes from the London Open, which is 3 a.m. Eastern time, and till about 3 p.m. in the afternoon Eastern time. So only 12 hours of trading 60-second binaries, which sort of is disappointing, but you know, I understand, because when they're the doldrums, it makes it a lot easier to predict movement. So maybe if they can increase the hours on that 24Option, that'd be awesome. But I mean, this is just one video, so I don't know if it's going to get their attention or not. But anyway, let's get into the trade. So as you can see, it was a put option with an investment amount of $24. With the expiry being below, I received $40.80 payout. And as you can see from the 24Option chart, it just fell down, which is great. I love that. I have a nickname for it. It's called blowing out the candles when it falls down like that. So let me get into the chart work with you. As you can see over here, I have my MetaTrader screenshot on a 1-minute chart on the USD JPY. And from the EMAs, which I have a 50 yellow EMA, a 13 EMA, I believe, and this is a 6 EMA. Right. So using these EMAs as guidance, I can see how where the trend is moving up or down. And clearly it is moving down. But it has been a sort of in a range. So if you can see, it's been slowly moving up and down, but it's been gradually getting lower. So you see these lower lows, and so it became a little bit easier to predict the probability of what was going to happen. So as you see over here, Stochastic pointed up. Stochastic is over here. Stochastic pointed to oversold conditions heading up into overbought. Same thing with the RSI, but that's not where I placed my trade. My trade was right over here on this little candle, this small little tiny body candle, which clearly was a good indication for me that it was going to head south, and it did. So it's nice giant candle, red candle. May not have been too happy for the yen traders, but I was happy with it because I was a binary options trader with a put option, so that was great. So as again, like usually I take call options, but I just had to reverse the psychology of it. So over here, overbought conditions. RSI wasn't creeping too much into the territory that I would want it, but as you can see, it was leaning pretty close to where I was expecting it, so I was happy with it. So that's pretty much it from my end. I just wanted to show you something else that I picked up during trading throughout the day. Sometimes you will get an at-the-money expiry. Usually you have two options, usually binary. The idea of binary is that it comes from the term binary, which means either 1 or 0, on or off, from computer science. And so it works in the same way for results. So for results, like you either win your profit, which is whatever the payout is, or you lose your investment. But as it turns out, and I'm sure this was already confirmed for months, but it's the first time I've experienced it, you can have an at-the-money expiry. So basically when the market and your target price line up perfectly. So this was 79.553, and it ended up expiring at that exact amount. So what happens is the investment gets returned to you. So that's good news. This was probably not a good trade to take in the first place, in my opinion. And in retrospect, that's just something to think about. And perhaps that can be the lesson for the day. If you're up for the day by whatever amount that you set for yourself, don't go trading anymore. You don't have to. Just because you're up, don't go and see your leads and your profits evaporates very, very quickly, because that happened to me today. I got a significant amount of profit in the account, and then I just saw it evaporate by over trading. So I mean, now I've been up for the day still, but I would have preferred to be more up rather than being less up. So that's pretty much it from my end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow binary options traders. And don't forget to do the same for the Happy Forex's channel, which is a great channel. I highly recommend you subscribe to that channel as well. If you do not have a 24Option account, you can click the link in the description and you can get an account. And then afterwards, after you fund the account, you can go to the live chat and ask for a demo account, which you can use to start practicing. And unlike a lot of other demo accounts, which give you an unrealistic amount, like say $50,000 in your demo account, or I remember the Trade Rush one was like $500,000. Instead of something ridiculous like that, they'll give you like the starting amount, I think, is $500 in the demo account, which is very reasonable. And if you don't have $500 to trade with in general, you shouldn't be trading. So the $500 demo account is a great way to start working this, learning the platform, working your setups, working your strategies, and just to get confident in yourself, and a good way to start trading. Anyways, hope you have a great day trading. I'll probably have a second video out today, and if not, I'll see you tomorrow.